Hi, this is Tim with OS College, and this is a quick video about OnlyOffice's presentation application. In this video, we're going to be looking at applying a drop shadow to a text box because we're just going to stylize it and use the text box as a label. So the first step is to draw the text box, and the text box can be found in the insert ribbon, and it can also be found in the home ribbon. So if you're on the home ribbon and you want to use the insert ribbon, here it is in the home ribbon. If you want to go to the insert ribbon, click insert, and then click on the text box, and you have this little cross here that your cursor turns into, and you hold down the left mouse button and drag until you get the desired size of the text box. Release, and then I'm going to type in the words down tube, and I'm going to reposition it, and then I'm going to go over here to shape settings after selecting the text box in the side panel and open it. I'm going to click this show shadow, and that kind of makes the whole thing look like a shadow. So what I'm going to do is click it again, and then it has no fill on it, but I'm going to use a gradient, and so that kind of gives it a progression of colors from white to gray. When I click off it, you can see the shadow behind it, and that makes it stand out. So that's basically how you add a shadow and stylize a text box that can be used as a label or for other purposes in OnlyOffice's presentation application. This quick video from OS College has been about creating a text box, giving it a shadow, and applying a gradient to it in OnlyOffice's presentation application. OnlyOffice is a set of desktop editors that can be installed on Windows, Mac, and various Linux distros, and they work equally well. Be sure to click subscribe and like on this video, and you can receive future notifications of future videos about OnlyOffice and its applications, as well as other videos about other applications. There are more videos about various applications on the OS College YouTube channel. There are even more videos, articles, and other information about applications at oscollege.com, OS College's website. Also check out the OS College Facebook page. Quick videos are 2 to 5 minute videos about a particular aspect of an application. Thank you for watching.